Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. We operate under our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz 1.5 sports line. Really nice for its age. Start off with, we got this lovely old-shaped Jazz headlights along with the fog lights. Real lovely silver color. Can't fault it. The customer has not even driven it much for its age. Got this 15-inch alloys, really nice. Second alloy there. No scratch or anything on the car. You still got the jog magic seats. They fold all the way up, all the way down. That's the second seat there. All 4 electric mirrors and windows. Tail lamps there. Show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space with a retractable partial shelf. We also do have a spare tire along with the repair kit. Like you can see, it's really well maintained. We haven't even touched this car yet. It was sold from brand new. Yeah, so that. I'll jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. It's got central locking. Front one is automatic. You got automatic door locking as well. You've got your folding mirrors here. They do work. There we go. Got your mirrors along with the headlight adjustment. So the car's done only 19,927 miles. It's really good for his age. You got this a classic CD player along with FM, auxiliary CD, AM and FM. You got this climate control down here. Works really nice and cool on this hot sunny day. You got this automatic gearbox. You got drive, sports and low mode as well if you want to use it during city miles or you're climbing or doing more of the countryside. Really nice car. Lives with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Also feel free to get in touch with the sales team if you want to know more about this car. It does have this multifunction steering wheel. There we go. 7-speed mode. Right, the car's here with us. So yeah, like I said, feel free to get in touch. And also please do subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss any future uploads as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.